Friends, a lot of times financial planners and financial advisors will tell you that you should not use credit cards. But personally, after using credit cards for the last 10 years diligently, I am 100% sure that you should use credit cards for all your purchases. And I'm going to tell you today the top 6 reasons why you should use credit cards and how you should use credit cards to get the maximum benefit out of it. Let's get into this. Reason number 1, free credit period. Now, what is free credit period? Free credit period comes with each and every credit card. So once you get your credit card, you will get a billing cycle. Let's say the billing cycle of your credit card is from 4th of this month to 3rd of next month. So now, if you buy a refrigerator worth 15,000 rupees at 4th of this month, then you will have to pay the bill for that 15,000 that you have taken from your credit card to buy the refrigerator after 30 to 45 days, depending on the billing cycle that your credit card has and depending on the free credit period that your credit card has. You have to pay the bill of the 15,000 after 30 to 45 days of your purchase. So essentially that means that you are getting interest free loan of rupees 15,000 to buy your refrigerator for 30 to 45 days. Now imagine who will give you interest free money. Probably your parents, your friends, or someone close to you. But in general, in business or in professional life, you will not be able to get 15,000 or any amount of money without interest for any period of time. So why not use it? Reason number 2, using credit card to buy your purchases will help you get free interest money from your bank. Let me make you understand how. So let's take the last example. You have taken 15,000 loan from your credit card to buy your refrigerator. Now, because you have taken loan from your credit card to buy your refrigerator, you have not used your debit card to buy the same refrigerator. Because you have used your credit card to buy the refrigerator, the 15,000 of savings money is still lying in your bank. And because that 15,000 is lying in your bank, so that 15,000 is also accruing interest. Now let's say your bank is providing you 3.5% interest rate in your savings account. So that means that 3.5% interest rate on 15,000 rupees, which is still there in your bank account, will give you around 43 rupees in interest. Now after 30 to 45 days, when you're paying back your bill, then you'll pay back 15,000 rupees from your bank account to clear your credit card bill. Now because that 15,000 was there in your bank account, it got 43 rupees of interest from your savings account. So you're paying back 15,000 and you're getting 43 rupees as interest out of it. So you're basically earning 43 rupees interest just free of cost by using credit card to pay for that refrigerator and not using your bank savings to pay for the refrigerator. Now I understand that 43 rupees is very less, but it's free money. So there is no reason why you should not take it. Reason number 3, it helps you to improve your credit score. So credit score or CIBIL score is a score which is associated with each individual who have taken a loan at some point in time in their life. Now credit score is very important because if you have a higher credit score, then you will be able to get loans much easier and you'll be able to get loans in much better rate. So if you are using credit card regularly and you are paying your dues on time with the full amount, then your credit score actually increases, because then the system thinks that you are taking the loan and also you are paying back the loan regularly, and that's one of the very important component which determines in terms of the improvement of your credit score. But if you don't use credit card at all, then essentially you are not taking any short-term loans and you're not paying it back as well, and that's the reason the system is not able to understand what is your history in terms of taking loan and paying it back on time. So using credit cards and paying back on time or clearing your dues on time helps you improve your credit score, which will help you to get loans easier in future and in much cheaper rates. Reason number 4, free credit card reward points. I have to confess something. For a long time now, I have not used my own money to buy flight tickets because I use HDFC Diners Black credit card for all my purchases, and the reward points that I get in my credit card is enough for me to get free flight tickets or travel tickets, at least domestically anywhere in India. So I want you to understand, so if you use your credit cards correctly, you will be able to get a lot of reward points, and you will be able to use that reward points to buy a lot of things or get flight tickets, get travel tickets, or whatever your credit card reward points is capable of, completely free of cost. So you should be able to use your reward points, which is again an extra free income in a way that you'll be getting, and you will not be able to get this kind of rewards in your debit cards for sure. And not only your rewards, if you're using your credit card, we'll have tie-ups with various retail partners through which you'll be able to get a lot of discounts and offers as well. So why not? You should definitely avail it to save some of your money. Reason number 5. Now this is not really the reason. In this point, I'm going to tell you how you should use your credit card and what is the key that helps you to use your credit card correctly. So the key to use your credit card correctly is to pay your amount in full. If you are paying your monthly bill half or the minimum amount, or if you're not paying your monthly credit card bill for the full amount, then you will start accruing interest. And unfortunately, credit card interest is the highest among all kinds of loans that you can get. For example, the home loan interest hovers around 9%, 10%. Credit card interest, on the other hand, hovers around 35 to 40% and probably even more for some credit cards. So if you go into that bucket where you have started accruing interest charges in your credit card bill, you will go into this spiral of debt that will just bring you down. So the key to use your credit card and not become a victim is to pay your monthly bill a full amount on time each and every month. Reason or tip number 6 to use your credit card correctly: only buy things that you can afford with the help of your credit card. If you don't have money or cash in your bank account to buy anything, then don't use your credit card to buy that. You should only buy those things for which you have enough money in your bank account to pay using your debit card at the first place. If you can't buy anything with the help of your debit card, then don't use credit card to buy that thing, because then you will not be able to pay your credit card bill and you inevitably will go into this spiral of debt where you'll start accruing interest charges of credit card and you will end up getting huge interest bills over time, which will just bring your financial stability down. So please remember, don't buy anything that you cannot afford with the help of your credit card. But if you can afford, and if you have enough money in your bank, and if you can pay whatever you want to buy with the help of your debit card, then don't use your debit card but use credit card instead. And if you have enjoyed the video and still watching it, then I'd recommend that you subscribe to this channel right now, because definitely you like informative videos like this, and whenever I come up with my next video, you'll be able to get that notification. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, and don't forget to like the video or comment in the video and share the video with others who you think will benefit out of it. See you in the next video.